Energy. The minimum energy required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom so as to convert it into a gaseous cation is called ionization energy. Example: M is a metal or non-metal. M is a element. By giving IE1 means one electron energy, ionization energy to form M cation and electron is released. Ionization energy is also called ionization potential because the minimum potential difference required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom. Unit of ionization energy is electron volt. Next, successive ionization energy. The minimum energy required to remove the first electron is known as first ionization energy, and that symbol is IE1. Similarly, to remove second electrons from the first ionization energy and to remove third electron, that is IE3, all this process is called successive ionization energy. For example, here example given. Suppose M is a element. By giving first ionization energy to form the first cation, by giving from the first cation element, giving the second ionization energy to form the M2 plus electron is released, same as M2 plus. By giving the third ionization energy to form the M3 plus electron is released. The strength of successive ionization energy is third ionization energy is greater than the second ionization energy, and second ionization is greater than the first ionization energy. Atomic size and nuclear charge also affect the ionization energy. Ionization energy decreases as the atomic size increases, and vice versa, because the larger the atomic size, the larger will be the attractive force between the nucleus and valence electron. Hence, easily the electrons will be removed and less ionization energy will be required there. The ionization energy increases with increase in nuclear charge, because with increase in the nuclear charge, the electrons of the outer shell are more firmly held by the nucleus, and thus greater energy is required to pull out an electrons from the atom. Variation of ionization energy in the periodic table. Ionization energy decreases along a group as we move from top to bottom. Atomic size increases, nuclear charge decreases, hence no more energy required to remove the electrons from valence shell. Ionization energy increases along a period because as we move from left to right, the nuclear charge increases and atomic size decreases. As a result, the more energy is required to remove the electrons from the valence shell. Next topic is electron affinity. Electron affinity is the amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom to form the negative ions, that is anion. For example, X is a element. By giving the electrons, it forms the another anion element, and energy is taken. Unit of electron affinity is electron volt. Electron affinity is also affected by the atomic size and nuclear charge. Greater the atomic size, larger the electron affinity, because of as the size of the atom increases, nucleus and the last shell which receive the incoming electron increases. As a result, the force of attraction between the nucleus and incoming electron decreases, and hence the electron affinity decreases. Greater the nuclear charge, more will be the electron affinity, because as the nuclear charge increases, the force of attraction between the nucleus and the incoming electrons increases, and hence electron affinity increases. Overall, electron affinity depends on incoming electrons. Variation of electron affinities in the periodic table. Electron affinity decreases down the group because of increasing atomic size. the attraction of the nucleus for the incoming electron decreases and hence the electron affinity decreases. Electron affinity increases in a period because of decreasing of atomic size and increasing of nuclear charge. Both these factors tend to increase the attraction by the nucleus for the incoming electrons and hence electron affinity increases. Next topic is electronegativity. The tendency of an atom in a molecule to attract electrons towards itself is known as electronegativity. For example, in polar covalent compound HCl, the shared pair of electrons shift more towards electronegative atoms. Chlorine, as a result, H acquires partial positive charge and chlorine acquires partial negative charge. Here example is given that you can see. This property by which chlorine withdraw the shared pair of electrons towards itself is known as electronegativity. Electronegativity has no unit. From the electronegativity, we can conclude the nature of bond formed means bond will be either covalent or ionic. Those have electronegativity difference less than 1.7, there the bond will be formed covalent. Those have electronegativity difference more than 1.7, there the bond will be formed ionic. For example, in N2 molecule, electronegativity difference is 0, here the nature of bond is covalent. In MgCl2, electronegativity difference is 1.8, hence the nature of bond is ionic. Electronegativity is also affected by atomic size and nuclear charge. Electronegativity decreases with increasing of the atomic size. Electronegativity increases with increasing of nuclear charge. Variation of electronegativity in periodic table. Electronegativity decreases down the group because of increasing of atomic size. Electronegativity increases along a period because of decreasing of atomic size and increasing of nuclear charge. Thank you.